You know, we could... No.
Hey, what if we... No.
We need something as good as this.
Not a problem. We do it with new ideas.
No. Not enough range.
Not a problem.
Smaller is not better. Not enough range.
Not a problem.
A340 wings, we need better fuel efficiency.
Not a problem.
Seven E7 engines, brilliant. Do you think it'll work?
Not a problem. We can get all the duct tape we need.
Careful, don't bend the glare.
Not a problem. We can borrow some from the A380. They're not selling that well anyway.
We've done it. A new airplane.
See? Not a problem. A thing of beauty.
The 7E7 Dreamliner. The only, all-new, middle-of-the-market airplane.
Larry, I think we got a problem.